Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add in a canvas to your videos or photos in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this one, and I'm going to select the round corners to just make it a little bit more cute. Anyways, I'm also going to select the one by one, and I kind of want to add in like a background or a border. So make sure your video or your photo is in the main track, or else this won't work. So if I put it up here, as you can see, the canvas disappears, so you're going to place it back here. Go to canvas, you have three options. You have blur, which is just like a blurred version of your photo, as you can see. You have color. You can also select the color picker here to match the color of your photos. For instance, like this pink right here, or even this, I don't know, gold. I like this one a little bit better though. And if you scroll down to the last one, they have a style button. So select whichever one you want to choose, like this. I think, okay, there you go. I thought I still had the color on, but just choose whichever one you like and apply it to your clip. And that is pretty much it, really. It's super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!